It's a girl back with another video, and in today's video, sorry guys, but my phone turned off and it stopped the last video, so we're going to be doing our dishwasher again. If you forgot, this is for our soap, and then you press it, and then whenever it's done, you take it out. Sorry guys, my phone keeps falling out. So, this is pretty, like, plates, bowls, and stuff. And yeah, that's all of my dishwasher. So, doing a tour of my house. It's not quite done yet because yeah, this couch was moved here yesterday. We have to get a different couch, and I can't show you my bunny room because my dad is setting up a new cage for my bunny. His name is Paul. He likes everything except canned fruit. Does he think of anything else? He always digs in his bag food. That lets us know that he needs food, needs to be fed. He always...
What are you listening to?
Nothing.
Oh, making a YouTube video?
Yeah, and this is my brother.
Yay!
This is your boy.
Who's going to a store?
Yes, because I'm at my house. And our house isn't that clean yet. So,
You're joking, it is.
bye! You know what to do. Stay awesome and share the love. Peace.